Finally, the time has come. The SPS in Nuremberg is here. This year, everything is about smart efficiency. Our booth is divided into 3 main areas: smart entry, efficiency boost, and innovation edge. So let's see what that means. Come and follow me. Welcome to our smart entry area. So Victor, what exciting things can we discover here?
Hi Annalena. With our new optical sensor, the Boss Entry family, we offer our customers an optimized price-performance ratio without compromising the quality. Multiple variants in one single housing for an easy and flexible integration. That's just perfect for high-volume applications like in intralogistics. This basically means no matter the use case, we have the right product for you in our entry portfolio.
Next up, efficiency boost. Tobias, tell us something about it.
This year, we present the new Smart Light. The new Smart Light is more flexible than ever and offers all the known functionality of today's Smart Light, but boosts it to the next level with the new features like strobe light, configurable buzzer element, and IP67 rating. Beside all that, we have the new Smart Light Rigid, which offers an entirely new building form for signaling. On the other side, we have IO-Link Wireless, and we will introduce the new IO-Link Wireless Bridge to boost your connectivity to the next level.
So Jonathan, what innovation can we find here?
Binary radar, one of the emerging technologies. Balluff has now one sensor in this field. We offer now a 122 GHz state-of-the-art sensor. With that, we are the fastest sensor on the market, delivering 1 kHz measurement frequency. It's designed for object detection and many other distance measurement use cases, and it comes with the reliability and robustness of the radar technology. Where other sensor fails, this is your must-have.
Last but not least, our innovation edge. Daniel, what can we see here?
So our main highlight here is Balluff engineering tool, which is the best solution if you would like to work with the IO-Link devices the most effective way. From simple parameterization and diagnostic through additional plugins which guide you and help you to configure the most advanced IO-Link devices, and up to completely new feature which speed up and helps you to easily integrate the IO-Link devices in your PLC programming. That's everything what you can see on our booth at the SPS.
That was it, SPS 2025. We were delighted to have you there. But of course, we are here for you all year round, so contact us.